Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video then I'm going to show you the best budget wireless clip-on mic. Now we're all using clip-on mics now with content creation and so on. This I think is the best for the price. Okay, so you've probably seen the likes of the Rode wireless mics going around. They clip onto your lapel there, and they are about 210, 230 quid for what I'm going to show you here that you can get for £70. Now these mics are actually like just over £100, but with the link that I have in the description, you can get them for £70. I'll tell you more about that in just a second. Let me quickly show you what it includes. It's a fantastic package. I'm not, by the way, sponsored by NEEWER is what these mics are. Not sponsored in any way by them, but I love them, right? It comes in this charging box. So you get the 2 transmitters and the 1 receiver, which can plug into your iPhone if it's lightning, if it's USB-C. It can also plug into your camera. It can plug into your computer as well. If you know, plug it into your laptop, plug it into your computer using the USB-C. So I'm going to show you the quality, by the way, in just a second, or let you hear the quality in just a second. That is your little transmitter, or sorry, that's the receiver. You'd also get a little screen that shows the levels. So I just talk into one of these mics here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You'll see the levels on the screen, which is very useful. On the receiver itself, on this end, you've got the on button, but you've also got a little dB button. So if you need to decrease or increase the mic volume, it's just with a click of a button, we'll do that. Also here, you've got a headphone jack if you have that plugged into your phone. If you have it plugged into any device whatsoever, just plug your headphones in there and you'll be able to listen in real time what's coming out. And then on the other end of that, you have the connector to put your USB connector in, whatever it's going into, lightning or USB-C. And you've also got that little out, if you can see that there, the little jack that's coming out. This can be used, these are also coming with the bundle, that can be used to plug in with your camera, that little 3.5 jack there. You've got then the USB charging lead that charges the case up, by the way, because this is also a charging case. So as soon as you pop these in here, close the lid, everything will turn off and it will charge while you're on the go, which is, it's just crazy for the price, let's be honest. Because I was looking at the exact same kind of outfit from Rode and it was over 200 quid. You also get these 2 wee windshields as well that just simply go onto the top of those mics. So, I mean, let's get to the bare bones of it. Let's get to the sound test. Before I do, the link in the description, by the way, is from TikTok Shop because they're doing a deal. It is just over £70, I think, if I'm right in saying. Hopefully, it's still the price by the time you click on the link. But, you know, I've seen them in the likes of Argos and Currys and also online and Amazon and so on, that they're selling for over £100. But if you use the link in the description, it will get you this whole package, all the leads, all the little case, the carry case as well, all for 70 quid. Like, and for the quality that you're going to hear in just a second, it's a must for if you're just starting content creation, even professional use as well. I mean, I've used these for weddings, you know, for videography and for podcasts as well. So insane for the price. So click the link in the description if you want to pick up the price at the discount. As I said, I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just love them and I want to share it out. I'm not going to keep it to myself. I want to share. NEEWER are such a great brand now. You know, compared to the Rode wireless mics, you're not going to notice much difference at all. So let's get in with the sound test. So here we are then using the mic. I'm pairing this up, by the way, with my Osmo Pocket 3. So it's as simple as clicking the USB into the bottom of the camera and it instantly recognises it. There's no playing about with the settings or anything like that. That's the same for your iPhone as well. Just click it straight in and it will recognise it straight away as a mic. Now, the reason why I'm holding it, because I'm going to show you, there's 2 different ways in which you can attach this to yourself. It comes with this little magnet here. So you can put that magnet under your clothes and then the mic will simply clip on, or will click on to the magnet, or you can just do the old school and clip it on to a bit of clothing, maybe a jacket or something like that, just a t-shirt. As you will hear right now, I honestly think it is right on par with those DJI mics, with the Rode wireless mics as well. There is really not much of a difference. You'll get 200 meters out of this as well, away from the camera, which you'll probably not even need. Let's be honest, why are you going to be 200 meters away from the camera? But that's what you'll get from it. And as I said, it comes with the 2 mics with the charging case for the price that the TikTok Shop have them. That's why I want to spread it on YouTube right now and let you know about it. I'm not advertising them. I'm not, well, I am advertising them, but I'm not paid to advertise them. I'm not kind of sponsored by them. And I just want to let you know. So click the link. It will take you straight to TikTok Shop, straight to that price of £75, I think it is. And let me know in the comments, by the way, let me know what you think of the sound. Let me know if you go ahead and buy them and purchase them, what you're using them for, and how you think of them as well. And as soon as you click on the link, by the way, for the TikTok Shop, you can scroll down, you can see all the comments and all the pictures and videos that people have left as well. So yeah, honestly, it is the one to get. Is the best budget clip-on mic in my opinion, and hopefully you can hear that as well. But I'd love to hear your comments on it. Do leave a little comment below, send me a little message if you do go ahead and purchase one, and don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button if this video helped you in any way whatsoever.